Hi, this is Candice from Gagne Farms. We wanted to share our Easter weekend with you guys. So come along and watch some things that we did this weekend, some Easter traditions and some unexpected fixes that we needed to do.
So, funny thing just happened. I went to turn the water on the barn and my faucet's been acting up on me, and it finally broke. So I'm off to town to see if I can find a water spigot to replace this with. I was gonna record it, but I was running around trying to figure out where water shutoffs were and all sorts of stuff. So anyways, I'm going into town here, see if I can't find me a spigot of some sort. I don't know what else to do because I can't find the shutoff to the thing, so I had to shut the whole water off to the whole house. So I shut the house off, and I'm guessing it feeds back out to the barn somewheres. Not exactly sure. So anyway, we'll see what we can find here in town. I really don't like going to town right now, but this is I guess this is essential. Kind of have water. So anyway, we'll see you on the flip side.
Here we are. We're gonna bake our bunny cake today. Bunny cake time for Easter.
Okay, 1 cup of water.
What do we need to add next, Chef?
3 eggs. Tap until you get a little tiny hole and press your fingers on that hole.
Your fingers or your thumbs?
Your
I
thumb.
turned the sink on.
So then you go like that, and then you press on that, and then it cracks open. And then you put it, if you have
It
compost,
was a story.
you put it right there. Voila.
A bit. 1/3 cup.
Stir, 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 stir.
It smells good.
Bloop. Bloop.
In they go.
How long?
23 to 28 minutes.
I broke the faucet. All I did was went and shut it, and it's been leaking here real bad anyways, but I heard a crack in here, and then the water kept going. So I can't find the shutoff in the house, so I had to shut all the water off for the whole homestead here. So I just got back from TSC. I got a replacement head, so we're going to go ahead and try and fix this faucet real quick. Wish me luck, because I've never done this, and I'm hoping it works.
Standing by with towels. So we've resorted to the torch. The thing won't come off. So what does that do, Eric?
It expands the metal, so you can loosen it up easier. Oh, yeah, that wasn't gonna come off without heat. I don't know what to do now.
It really isn't gonna work?
No,
Why? What's wrong with that?
it's not the right setup. I could maybe put something in there to make it work, but this is a screw-in type. There's nothing to screw into. I can't.
Oh, the problems with having old stuff. So now our only option is to try to fix this one temporarily by putting a piece in where the other piece broke.
The problem is that faucet, this head here is about, well, the barn was built in 84, I think. So do the math. It's old. And I can't find the same brand name. It's a red line. And I can't find one that's a red line anywhere. I can't even, Amazon doesn't even have, the hookup's different on the head of I guess the point or whatever that goes down into the. So anyways, I can't find the right one. We're the day before Easter. It's about, what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yep.
Store's gonna be shutting down by 6, 7, 8 o'clock, I think. And I've already made 2 trips to town. We'll see if I can at least get this one going so we can turn the water back on in the house. That's the biggest thing, is get the water back going. Then I can do some research as to what I need for the rest of it to get a new head. The head itself wasn't bad. It was only $20.
It was like 60 for the whole
thing though,
Well,
right?
And I was just looking online, and some of them, I mean, they go up to $150 for the whole deal.
Yeah.
Which I'd pay, but I don't want to keep going back to the store and getting the wrong part, so
Right.
I'm kind of, we'll get this thing at least working, hopefully. If I can get it working, then we'll go from there. Then I can do some research, get the right parts that I need. So this here, let me tell you, I guess if you want to call something a bush fix, this would be it. I found a bolt. All that happened was this pin right here. It's like plastic too. This pin broke in 3 spots on me. So it goes something like, geez, I can't even get it to roll around my hand right. Something like that. It goes right in the head of there. And I found a bolt that's the same diameter. And I'm just gonna cut a chunk of bolt off, like a dowel pin almost. Put that back in there, put it back together, and hopefully screw this thing back together and it'll work. I don't, no guarantees, but it's either this or we're going without water on Easter Sunday. So, all right.
What are you doing, filing down the sharp edges?
Yeah, deburring it quick, so it'll go in there. So basically what I did here is I just made this pin. You can't see it very well. You can only, all it is just sandwiched in there, right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but so I just made a new pin. I'm gonna put this back together. As far as I know, that's what was wrong with it. I don't know what else it could be. You know, there's not. I thought there was a seal in here, but there's no seal. If there was, it ain't in there anymore. I'm gonna put some Teflon tape on these threads here. If you didn't know, there's a right way and a wrong way to put Teflon tape on. You wanna put it on so it'll thread on. Otherwise, if you put it the other direction, it'll just uncoil when you're trying to spin threads back on. So there's a little set screw that we're going to put in here once we get this threaded on. Looking good so far, I guess. Oh, can we get it? Come back around. Bring it around town. I don't know. We're just going to have to try it, babe. I don't know what else to do.
Okay, so Eric's going to the well to turn the pressure on. And all I'm supposed to do is watch. These chickens just keep getting fatter and fatter. It's a good thing, because they need more room.
Right?
Yeah.
This is not what I envisioned.
But this is so fun for me. Look at you.
Okay. Now you gotta let me out.
Oh. I gotta let you out? Do you want out?
Yes, please.
Aw.
Let's raise meat chickens. It'll be fun, they said. I'm just putting up some sides here quick just to keep some heat in, I'm hoping. So we just got all these, we just got the what in? Let me see your hands. Oh my lord, what happened to you?
We were dyeing eggs, and I asked Mom if because this hand was in the egg dye.
Yeah, watch out.
And I asked Mom if I could dye both my hands pink and blue, and she said yes.
Nice.
She said, I don't care.
Well, we got our meat chickens moved here into the bigger pen. I think they're a lot more comfortable. So I just hope that I got enough heat for them. That's the only thing I'm worried about. If we do, then we're golden. So there we go. Now we're cleaning the other pen out here behind us.
Wait, there's some are going.
They don't want to go, eh?
Hey, I found a penguin. See, I named a chicken penguin. It's that one right there by itself. And he's probably just scared. He doesn't know what's happening and everything. I named him Penguin because he looks like a penguin. So we got shavings. Okay, got shavings.
There's meat birds. They're chilling in their new coop. I'll huddle in the corner, poor things.
They don't know what is going on.
No.
Yeah, show them your leg.
Oh, yeah. Had a little accident getting the birds some water. Their water kind of came undone all over my leg. Thanks for joining us here on Gagne Farms on Easter weekend. We've had a lot of fun and some unexpected things happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And everybody have a happy Easter.